So you want to become a real estate agent and make lots of money? Let me say lots of money? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how and how to get started. What up? It's your boy Carlo, back at it again. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to become a real estate agent here in California. This will be part of a 3-video series. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to start. In the next 2 videos, I'm going to show you how to study and how to take the exam. So how do you start here in California? Well, the first 2 things that you got to do, you got to take online classes, or you have the option to take in-person classes through a broker or through your school. So what I did, I took my real estate classes at a community college. I took in-person classes as well as online classes to finish up my classes. And in these classes, you have to take 3 of them. 1 is real estate practice, 2 real estate principles, and 3 an elective class. And you have a multitude of different classes that you could choose from, whatever interests you. I took escrow. I just wanted to learn how to understand the real estate purchase agreement, the title, and just different concepts of the legal part of it. Or you could even, if you like real estate law, you could take real estate law or even financing. But there's different classes that you could take as elective. And 4, make sure you smash that like and the subscribe down below. And on to the next one. Once you completed your classes, you need to get your official transcripts if you took it through school. And basically, an official transcript showing that you completed all your credits. So making sure you pass with a A, B, or C or better, because C's get degrees, you feel me? But if you did do it through your broker, you'll need 3 certificates showing proof of completion. And once all those classes are completed, you can apply for the exam. Once you're ready to apply for the real estate exam, you're gonna need to collect 3 things. 1 is your transcripts, as I said earlier, as well, or your certificates of completion. 2, you'll need to get your thumbprint taken, and the thumbprints are going to be sent to the Department of Justice to make sure that you're legit. And it costs around $75 to get it done. I went to UPS to get my thumbprints done. They'll give you a couple of copies, and they'll send one to the Department of Justice. And yeah, so I think, they'll give you 3 papers, 1 they keep, 1 for your proof, and then 1 that you'll send to the Department of Real Estate. And 3, you're gonna download the application, and in the application, you're gonna be paying for the test as well as the license fee, which is $245. $245. But I'll post a link in the description down below where to find it. And once you have all those things, you're gonna send it in an application package, and you're gonna send it to Sacramento, the Department of Real Estate. You will have to wait around 1 to 2 months. And when you mail it out, make sure the mail is certified. The reason why I say mail it out certified, you spent that $245, $75 for your thumbprints, as well as your money to get your official transcripts. So you just want to make sure that it gets there safely and that you get a receipt saying that it's been delivered. And once they process your application, you will know that they started because they will charge your credit card, and it will take an additional 3 to 4 weeks for you to get an email saying that you can apply for the exam. I know it sucks. I was like, dude, you took my money, and I can't even apply for the exam yet. So I even called up the Department of Real Estate, and they were like, okay, give it another 1 to 2 weeks. And then you could also check online, depending on the time frame of when you sent your application. They give you like a estimated time frame of when they're going to get to your application, but give it around 3 to 4 weeks. And I'll show you what the email looks like when you're ready to take the test. And I'll show you somewhere here on the screen. And once you sign up for the exam, give yourself about 1 month to a month and a half max to study for the exam, and set that date. Force yourself to get serious, and if you don't, you're just gonna keep pushing the exam further and further and further back. And dude, just get serious, take that exam, set that date, and it's time to get ready, baby. So on the next video, I'm gonna tell you how to study for the exam so you make sure you pass the first time. So again, make sure you smash that subscribe, hit that like, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.